Ever wondered how you control the power in a manual car? No computers, just pure driver skill. Let me show you how a manual transmission really works. Manual transmission, also called a stick shift, is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to transfer engine power to the wheels. Even with automatics and CVTs taking over, manual gearboxes are still loved worldwide for their control, simplicity, and durability.
The manual transmission houses gears, shafts, and synchronizers. Its main purpose is to transfer power from the engine. It sends power to the wheels for vehicle movement. It allows the driver to select different gear ratios. This selection provides varied torque and speed output. The input shaft is directly connected to the engine via the clutch assembly. It is responsible for receiving power directly from the engine. The input shaft rotates at the same speed as the engine's crankshaft. It then transfers this rotational power into the transmission system. The output shaft links to the drive shaft or transaxle. It is responsible for delivering power to the vehicle's wheels. The rotational speed of the shaft is dependent on the gear ratio. Different gear ratios adjust the torque and speed sent to the wheels. A countershaft, or lay shaft, is an intermediate shaft with fixed gears. It plays a crucial role in mechanical power transmission systems. The countershaft's primary function is to transfer power. It receives power from the input shaft of the system. Then, it relays this power to the gears located on the output shaft. Gears of different sizes create varied gear ratios, affecting torque and speed. Smaller gears on the output shaft yield lower gears and increased torque. Larger gears on the output shaft provide higher gears and increased speed. Gear ratio selection depends on the desired balance between torque and speed. Synchronizers are crucial for smooth gear changes in a transmission system. They function by matching the speeds of the selected gear and the output shaft. Speed matching occurs prior to the actual engagement of the gears. This synchronization prevents the gears from grinding against each other. The result is a seamless and efficient gear shifting experience for the driver. Shift forks are essential components in a manual transmission system. They are controlled directly by the gear lever operated by the driver. Shift forks engage different gears by sliding synchronizers. This sliding action occurs along the output shaft of the transmission. The clutch is a mechanical component that links the engine to the transmission system. Its primary function is to engage or disengage power transmission from the engine. This allows the driver to smoothly change gears while the vehicle is in motion. The clutch also prevents the engine from stalling when the vehicle comes to a stop. Essentially, it provides temporary disconnection between the engine and wheels. The engine initiates the power flow in a vehicle's drivetrain. Power is then transmitted from the engine to the input shaft. Next, the input shaft transfers power to the countershaft. From the countershaft, power moves to the selected gear. The selected gear is located on the output shaft. Finally, the output shaft delivers power to the wheels. Grinding during gear changes often indicates worn synchronizers. Synchronizers are crucial for matching gear speeds during shifts. Worn synchronizers fail to properly synchronize these speeds. This failure results in the grinding noise during gear engagement. Excessive noise during operation can indicate gear wear. Difficulty shifting gears is another sign of potential damage. Worn or damaged gear teeth are often the root cause. Insufficient lubrication accelerates gear tooth wear. Aggressive shifting habits also contribute to gear damage. Proper maintenance and driving habits can extend gear life. Low transmission fluid can cause increased friction within the transmission system. Increased friction generates excessive heat, potentially damaging gears. Bearings are also vulnerable to damage from overheating due to low fluid. Damage to gears and bearings can lead to costly transmission repairs. Regular transmission fluid checks are crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Maintaining proper fluid levels helps prevent friction, heat, and component damage. Difficulty selecting gears can indicate problems within the transmission system. One potential cause is damage to the shift forks inside the transmission. Shift forks are crucial for engaging the correct gears. Bent or broken shift forks can prevent proper gear selection. This damage hinders the synchronizer's ability to engage gears correctly. Specific gear selection issues often point to a particular damaged shift fork. Regular transmission fluid changes are crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Changing the fluid ensures proper lubrication of internal components. It also aids in cooling the transmission, preventing overheating. These actions collectively extend the lifespan of the transmission system. Always use the fluid type specified by the vehicle manufacturer for compatibility. Adjusting the shift linkage enhances shifting precision and smoothness. Improve shifting results from optimizing the connection between shifter and transmission. The adjustment process involves tightening loose linkage components. Worn linkage components should be replaced to maintain optimal performance. Proper linkage adjustment ensures accurate gear selection and smooth transition. Proper clutch cable adjustment prevents slipping or dragging issues. Slipping leads to poor power transfer. Dragging causes difficult shifting. Adjust the cable to achieve the correct amount of free play.